how we can create a journal with Excel spreadsheet. If you go to task panel here, you will see the next option here: manage journal, create journal in spreadsheet. Just click on this. It will download one Excel template. Okay, so this is actually a adfdi template, or you can tell it's application development integration. adfdi. Okay, adfdi template. Desktop integration template actually. This is called ADI. Application desktop integration template. If you open this, this is the template. This is a seeded template actually. So this seeded template, if you open it, it will ask for you to what is the template? Enable editing. Okay. So once you open it, it will try to ask you. It will ask you to log in. Okay. Do you want to connect this Excel sheet? You want to connect your application server? Okay. It will give you a pop-up. Do you want to connect? Yes. Once you click on yes, it will ask you to log in again. Okay. So provide your login detail here. And just log in. Hello?
Your screen is not visible.
Not visible. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. So download of Excel you are able to see, right? Otherwise, I will start again. See, this Excel sheet. The first step is you have to click on the create journal in spreadsheet here. Okay. From the task panel, create journal in spreadsheet. It is useful when you have a huge number of journal lines, right? You cannot enter the manually. Because in a big organization, there will be a lot of adjustment entries you have to load at the period end, and you can take leverage of this spreadsheet functionality. So once you click on this, it will download this Excel template, and once you able to log in, able to connect to server with this spreadsheet, this template data will be shown here. Like this is the template, seeded template. Then you can give here the details for which ledger you want to upload the data. This group ID will be generated automatically. Source. The source will be spreadsheet. It's a seeded spreadsheet. Whenever you upload anything through Excel, the source will be spreadsheet. Okay. Give a journal name. So data as a set, whatever ledger you assign to your user ID, this will default here. So in our case, it is Tata primary ledger. Journal. Give your journal name, suppose Tata spreadsheet. and spreadsheet or data, Excel, journal. Description, I'll give same description. Ledger, you have to select here which ledger. Data primary ledger. Accounting date, give today's date. For 24, 2020. Which category? Category is manual. You can select also. If you double click, you can able to select. It will allow you to select a category from the list of value. Directly also you can, if you have you know the category name, you can give. Other you can select here. Okay. So these are the header informations, right? Whatever required mandatory header detail you are giving here. Now, here you have to provide the segment value, your accounting code combinations. For which company you are loading the journal. Select here. All the account segment value will show here. Okay. Data software. We are loading journal for data software. Department. Suppose for purchasing department. Account. So for purchasing department, we have some electricity expenses. Okay. That we are booking as a journal. Click on OK. Okay. Currency is INR. Okay. Currency is INR. Currency also you can select here. Or if you know the functional currency of our ledger, you can directly give. Enter debit 1200. Enter credit 1200. So the basic principle of any accounting line is debit should equal to credit. Okay. Otherwise the journal will be unbalanced and it will not allow to post any unbalanced entry. Enter debit is equal to enter credit. There are some other detail. They are not mandatory, but it will be mandatory when you are creating journal other than your functional currency. Okay, that we'll discuss later. So now we are creating journal in INR because INR is our functional primary currency of our ledger. Now this will be 1000. Department is equal to 22. First, electricity expenses we booked and we are paying cash or transferring money from our bank. So bank account should be, bank account should be credited. For Tata software, purchasing department, we are booking the electricity expenses and we are paying cash. Suppose we are paying cash. Okay. The cash account will be credited here. 1200. Just remove it from here. So now we have completed one journal line, debit entry and credit entry. Now try to upload the journal. So here there is another option. This is called multiple journal. That will see later how we can create multiple journals quickly with the spreadsheet. This is the single journal. So let us upload. We have entered the required mandatory detail here. Submit. There is a submit option you can see here. Submit. The submission option you can see here. Save to interface. Submit journal import. Submit journal import and posting. Save to interface means the journal will save to interface and it will not go to your base table. Let me show you and give you some understanding how it works actually. Oh, sorry. I'll show you that because the Excel is not working here. To save to interface, submit journal import and submit journal import and posting. What is the difference between three? Once I upload the journal, I'll show you. So let us select the third option, okay? Select the third option and submit. Now we got some error. Okay. What is the error? One or more rows could not be uploaded. So here you must enter a valid currency. Okay. So any error, any data missing, it will not allow you to upload the journal. So what is the missing part here? INR currency I am not giving in the credit line. Right. So correct the information and try to upload again. So it will give you clear message that you must enter a valid currency. So that's not an issue. Whenever you got any error message, just understand what is the error and rectify the error accordingly and resubmit the batch. Submit. Your process has been submitted. So that means it will create one request, concurrent request to complete this process. Okay. In the backend, it will run one process to complete this process. So now the row status is row inserted successfully. That means it is now available for our review. Again, go to manage journal. Let us see if we can see the journal in front end or Tata. Journal name is start with Tata. So Tata, we created one manual journal and second one is Tata Excel journal manual. So it is uploaded successfully. Just verify the information. Now you can see the batch status is posted. Right? In this way, thousands of journal lines you can import just within a fraction of second. So this adfdi spreadsheet functionality. This is a debit line and credit line. Any questions till now? Please let me know. Ranjita, Sweetie, Sanjeev, Bhuvana.
Can you repeat again this sourcing of spreadsheet? Hello?
Hello?
Or later you can send the recorded video also, because that time my screen was not working. The screen was not visible.
Okay, no, so when you could not see the download part, right?
Yeah.
The spreadsheet, okay. Here there is option actually. Here you'll see from the general ledger tax panel, create journal in spreadsheet. If you click on this, you will see. So it will download this journal entry spreadsheet and open it, show in folder. And don't try to save it actually. It will download, and once you click on folder, open it. So enable editing. Once you click on enable editing, you are about to connect to the following application URL. That means this cloud server, it will try to connect this spreadsheet. And if you click on yes, it will give you the template. So it will give the template and just give the appropriate information for the journal lines and try to upload. In this way, you can upload the journal. Now I'll show you what is the difference between this submission option. Okay. What is the mechanism of this interface actually? Let me tell you. In Oracle, basically we have two types of tables. One is interface. Interface table. One is base table. The table means they are all database structure in Oracle. So Oracle has its own database, relational database, where the data stores in base table, and any data coming from outside, if you import, first it will come to interface table, and interface table will validate all the data, and then after complete validation, if everything is fine, so data comes to base table. So here what is telling? Save to interface. If you click on the first option, this spreadsheet journal information will be saved here. It will not come to base table. If you select the second option, submit journal import, it will come to interface table. From interface table, it will come to base table in unposted status. Okay. So from interface, it will come to base table, but it will not be posted. If you submit the third option, submit journal import and post. So the third option will do all the three steps. If you click on the first option, again you have to go and submit the journal import manually from Oracle. But if you click on the third option, it will create the journal. It will come to interface. From interface, it will come to base table, and in the base table, data will be posted automatically. There is a difference between these two options here. You got me right?
Hello.
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 Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, are you able to hear me?
Sir, validation is not required. Hello.
Yeah, validation, that is, it depends upon you actually. Either you want to do it yes with validation or without validation. So that is for descriptive flexibility, not for key flexibility. If you have any descriptive flexibility, that will see later what is DFF actually. So this validation, the second option, that is for DFF, not for this journal lines, which are the standard lines, not DFF. So as we are not populating in DFF, so we don't require any validation for this DFF. That will see later. What is the DFF concept actually? We'll see later. First, understand the submission option. These three options. What are the three kinds of submission options?
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
So now we see how we can create journal manually and through spreadsheet.